Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Today my topic is vision and mission. In the last connected video we have already discussed that we have to accept God with our two things. When we have decision power and we strongly believe on truth and we have a life on the base of truth, we accept God, we accept one God, and we need to connect with God. It was we have concluded in the last video. Today we will discuss that for this purpose what vision we have to need, we have to build our life, we have to make our life better with this vision. So how we must have this vision, what is the aim of life in this regard, what is purpose of life, why we are in this world, these all things we will discuss in today's video. But if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, and if you like my video, then I will hope that you will give some good comments for me to encourage, because encouragement is very necessary for any positive thing. So I hope that you will join me. So let's start. First of all, we will say that positive thinking is very important in the life for every aspect of life, and then we must have a good decision power, and we must tell the truth. On these three things basis, we will go for the first thing, that is beneficial for others. So today's our first point is we must be beneficial for others. This point actually proves that we have positive thinking, we have decision power, we support truth, and conclusion for this will be that we must help others. How we help others? We have many ways to help others. For example, if we have positive thinking, we have a good decision power, and we support truth, we must help others. So what will happen? We must share knowledge with others. Whatever knowledge we have to share with others, because it will be very beneficial for all. Secondly, if we have some happiness in our life and we know the secrets of happiness, we must share with others, because we have a base in our brain, our is positive thinking. We want to say to this world that if I am happy, you must be happy. If I can do something for you, I will do for you. This is positive thinking, and this positive thinking make this world a very peaceful place. When we will be beneficial for others, we will share knowledge, we will share happiness. First, one more thing we also need to do, that is very important. When we are doing something for others, sharing knowledge also, and it must be in too much shapes. We can speak something in a audio, we can write something on a paper, we can make a video for others, we can talk in a society, in a house, in office, everywhere where we interact with people, we have a occasion to speak. And on this occasion I must say, in the first video I already have told you that I am not good in English. So again I will apologize for my weak English. Please accept my apologization. Thank you. Now I will continue. So I was saying that beneficial for others, it is a very important point. When we are beneficial for others and we will share knowledge, we will share happiness, one most important thing we have to do is never expect reward from anyone. If you are doing something for others, never expect that they will do something for you in return. Never expect. So Now after these 3-4 minutes repetition of some words, I will say what is the conclusion till now. If you are helping people, if you are sharing something with people and you are expecting nothing from people, you have a vision. This is the vision to change your life. Now I will say that if you have this vision and you are having a life with this vision, you must think about humanity. And what is the limitation of humanity? From the first human on earth till last human on earth before Qiyamah. It is the limitations. In these limitations, we must have to think about. We must have a vision to succeed ourselves and all these human beings from first man to last man. It is the duty of every human being. Not only think about yourself, because what we need, what I need, everyone need that. If I need some peace in my life, every human being need this peace in his life, in her life. So we must think about others, that people must be happy due to our reaction, due to our acts, due to our behavior, our words, our way of life must give some happiness to others, must give some satisfaction to others. It is the life, it is the vision. When we will start this thing, and we are doing in our limits, and we have limitations because we are human beings, we are not having unlimited powers. In these limitations, we will do everything for others. It will make our life in a way to helping others. When we will do this, God will help us. In every aspect, God will be with us, within us. And it is very important point. Because why it will happen? Why it will be happen? Because we are helping creations of God. And God says that all creations are my family. And we are caring about family of God, then why not God will be with us? It is very important point. Now I will must say that we have limitations, but we must think beyond the imaginations. Because limitations for us, not for our God. Our God can do anything, anytime, anywhere. Inna Allah ala kulli shayin qadir. So keep on efforts, keep struggling, do good, hope for the best, ready for the worst, and must hope for the quick change, quick response, quick changing world. Why? Because we are connected with God, God with us, God within us, and God will help us, God will guide us. And we must say, we must talk with God that I need you, I need nothing. When this connectivity will happen, with God, God will make our every way of life make easy. Our life become very easy, very peaceful, very happy life. Till now we have discussed some points, and conclusion of that is this is all is a individual effort. It will be called in one word a visionary life, a life with vision, we can say. And it will be more helpful if we will convert this vision, this life, this visionary life in a mission. So I must say that life and purpose of life we have discussed: positive thinking, decision power, support to truth, connectivity with God. We all have discussed about this. We have today discussed about visionary life, and now I am saying about something mission. So what is mission? How it will be done? What effort we have to do for completion of mission? How we will define mission? I will inshallah discuss in the next video. I hope that you must join me in the next video, and I must hope that you will uh, criticize if I do something wrong, but if I do something good, you will appreciate, you will subscribe my channel, you will visit me again and again. So inshallah we will be together very soon. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.